It is snowing again. There's flurries flying. This thing wouldn't start. I don't know why. So it's sitting here running, but I think we're going to drive it a couple times around the house. This bad boy, I'm driving it to the mailbox, so it's sitting here warming up for that reason. Look at the snow flying. Look at this. Cool. It is snowing like crazy again. And then the bad part about this is, after all this cold snap gets done and over with, by the end of this week, we'll see highs in the 70s Friday and Saturday. This Cub Cadet might be low on gas too, I don't know. It's been sitting a while, so nice and easy over the hump. I need to find my other charger. Keep it on and charge the battery tonight, I think. The good old Cub Cadet is running. May not start in the morning, to be honest. So I need to make sure I have a jumper box on hand and find my other charger once I get this started and put that other charger on this battery. And it looks like I need to get my John Deere down in here a little bit once it heats up, I guess, and run over these leaves. Cool. Got some, like I said, we got some snow flurries flying. I think I need to find that other charger and go ahead and put this one on, but I have to get the extension cord. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and before I go, just want to mind y'all, Jesus loves you, and God bless.